Satish Manchala, CEO of MedliMed. There's a huge gap in digitizing of business operations in healthcare industry. One of the biggest challenges industry is facing doing business manually, especially in the pharma sector. At present, we have over 7 lakhs medical stores are doing business in various parts of India. All this medical stores business is being done manually, and these stores face a lot of challenges in terms of increasing their revenue, profitability, and also poor inventory management. Now, there's a huge growth in e-pharmacy and also chain pharmacy stores. These medical stores are getting affected in terms of their sustainability or surviving in the industry. As a company, we have realized that there's a good business opportunity to digitize this particular market segment. We have created an end-to-end pharma platform where involving all the stakeholders on a single platform. Our platform is a SaaS-based B2B, B2C business model, and it can extend to other day-to-day business operations in terms of ERP and point of sale system, also automation of operations of the business. Huge benefits to using a digital platform for the various stakeholders. When it comes to medical stores, this would enable them to increase their profitability, increase in sales, and stores can become online stores. Also, better inventory management of their business operations. Overall, it improves the business efficiency of all the stores. Benefits to the wholesalers or distributors. Our platform enables them to reach many stores irrespective of geography. At present, in India, most of the wholesalers' business is being localized. They only serve to a particular area in a particular city. With the help of our platform, they're able to reach many stores within the city and also outskirts of a particular city. This is helping them to increase in revenue as well as their profitability. 7 lakh medical stores, which are mom and pop stores. They do not have proper systems in place, which is affecting their day-to-day business operations, unable to compete with chain pharmacy and recent growth of e-pharmacy platforms, which has forced them to look in terms of adapting to digital platform. So MedliMed has created end-to-end solution which would enable them to do transactions and business operations efficiently in terms of increasing the sales and also profitability. India ranks at the 145th place among 192 countries in terms of providing a quality healthcare system or services to the people. Prime Minister's digital health mission has come at the right time to increase the quality of healthcare services to the people. The biggest advantage what I see in terms of this new initiative, it is going to completely change the landscape of healthcare industry or the way people get consultation from doctors. Working on the beta test in India, We found a lot of gaps in the industry and done a lot of trial and error. Came out with the platform and being tested with the users. We are able to grow and also, sorry, we are going to have, try.
Continue.
No, continue. Now, in terms of, we are able to get the acceptance of usage of a platform and also benefits to the from medical stores as well as the wholesalers. We have successfully completed a beta test in Hyderabad. Now, having seen success, we are planning to expand our market to other cities, also exploring other markets which have a similar ecosystem of India. So one of the market we looked at is Africa. So Africa has almost a similar kind of ecosystem what we have in India. Medlimid is planning to raise capital to meet the current and the future goals to expand globally. At present, we have a good execution team in India and also in the US. So once we identify the new markets, we're going to add execution team respective countries. One of the good thing about Medlimid, we are adapting our platform to meet the local requirements and also all the regulatory compliances which are required in healthcare. We are able to customize our application.